What is the spark that occurs when a substance burns? Is it an unburnt gas? Or is it an atom that hasn't been oxidized yet? Most of the sparks produced when a material is burned are light produced during the combustion reaction. A combustion reaction is a reaction in which a substance and oxygen react chemically to form a new substance. During the combustion reaction, chemical reaction heat is emitted, which is emitted in the form of light. A flame is the light emitted when an electron moved from a high energy state to a low energy state. The transfer of these electrons is caused by the heat generated in the chemical reaction. Flames shine because atoms or molecules that emit light emit energy as they gain or lose electrons. Therefore, sparks occur after new substances are already created through combustion reactions rather than unburned gases or atoms that have not yet been oxidized. Therefore, a flame is light from atoms or molecules that participate in the combustion reaction. Is it light even though the flame remains in a certain shape? I think it's wrong to say that it's a form of light. A flame refers to the appearance of light generated by the combustion reaction of a material having a certain shape. A flame is the thermal energy generated when a material's combustion reaction occurs, and light is generated in the process of absorbing and releasing energy from the atoms or molecules inside the material. The flame remains in a certain shape, but the light within it is not in a certain shape, but in a mixture of light of various wavelengths and intensities. So, it's not a correct expression to say that it's a collection of fireworks. Light is a type of electromagnetic radiation that exists in the form of electromagnetic waves, and flame refers to the appearance of light emitted by thermal energy generated inside a material. Therefore, light and flame are different concepts, but fireworks are one of the phenomena that emit light. What is the saying that substances burn? Burning a substance is the process by which a substance and oxygen react chemically, creating a new substance and releasing heat and light at the same time. This reaction, also called chemical combustion or chemical reaction, means that the burned material is oxidized. For example, burning carbon, such as coal or wood, causes chemical reactions with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, or new substances. At this point, the heat and light emitted are seen as sparks that result from carbon combustion. Also, combustion usually occurs in an oxygen-rich environment. Therefore, combustion does not occur where there is no oxygen. Combustion occurs in various ways in our lives, such as burning gas in a gas stove, or burning fuel in a car. When a new substance is created, it means that the existing substance is oxidized and changed chemically. That's right. When a new substance is created, it means that the substance causes combustion or a chemical reaction, and the existing substances are chemically changed to create a new substance. For example, when coal is burned, carbon and oxygen in the coal react chemically, creating carbon dioxide and water, or new substances. In another example, when a solution with a mixture of water and sodium chloride, salt, evaporates, the water evaporates and disappears, leaving only sodium chloride, creating a new substance. When a chemical reaction occurs like this, combustion or chemical reaction can be understood as a phenomenon related to oxidation of an existing material because the original materials change chemically and new materials are created. Generation is easy to confuse with the meaning of creating something out of nothing. It's just that the existing material becomes a different form of compound. That's right. The term creation that can be misunderstood to mean creating something out of nothing can be confusing because it is used to mean that existing substances are chemically changed in chemical reactions and new substances are created. When a new substance is created in a chemical reaction, existing atoms or molecules form a new molecule or compound through chemical bonding. Therefore, new substances produced in chemical reactions are the result of changes in existing substances and should not be misunderstood as creating something out of nothing. However, when learning the theory of combustion, some explain that flames are a kind of gas in which combustibles and oxygen are combined, and some teach that combustion is an oxidation reaction in which combustibles and oxygen meet to emit light and heat. Is that right? That's right. Flames are produced by flame reactions, even during combustion reactions, usually in environments where combustibles and oxygen are present. For example, when gas is filled in a pipe with open ends, a mixture of gas and air on one side of the pipe causes combustion, which chemically combines combustibles and oxygen into new compounds, causing heat and luminescence. In this combustion reaction, combustibles and oxygen cause an oxidation reaction, which is a kind of chemical reaction in which oxygen molecules and other atoms or molecules combine to form larger molecules or compounds. In these chemical reactions, new compounds are produced and energy is released, which appears in the form of light and heat. Therefore, the combustion reaction is an oxidation reaction in which combustibles and oxygen meet and emit light and heat.